slice your potatoes nice and thin, and we're just gonna put one layer of potatoes down for right now. One layer of potatoes. Let's add some salt and pepper to our potatoes. Now let's add some onions. We're gonna add these onions. Some cheese. Then we're going to add more potatoes, and we're just going to keep layering this. The potatoes, the seasoning, the onions, and the cheese. Let's add our last layer of potatoes. And then we're just going to put some seasoning and cheese on top of that. It's cooked about 5 minutes, so now we're going to add our milk. Stir that in. We're going to let it simmer, and we're going to add a little salt and pepper. A little salt and a little pepper, and then we're just going to let that simmer for at least another 5 minutes. Well, let's simmer for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to add some cheese, because we're going to make a cheese sauce actually. But this would, if we did not add the cheese sauce, this would be complete, and this would be your bechamel sauce. I'm going to top with some of my bechamel sauce. I'm going to cover it, put it in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. I'm going to cover it with that. So I just want you to see my scalloped potatoes. They're nice and cheesy, and let's see.